This is the Furinno just turn-in tube 3-tier open storage nightstand. Let's take it out of the box. You may have heard some assembly required. This is all assembly required, but there's no tools and it will take you less than 10 minutes. In the box, you get the instruction manual and a bunch of parts. It's a 3-tier nightstand. So there are 3 pieces over here. 4 long legs, 4 short legs, the feet for it, and the top caps. And that really is all there is to it. As far as how it goes, I'll show you that, of course, in a little bit. And we'll put it together, and then we'll see what it can do for us. This is available in many finishes. There are wood grain finishes. This is white. There's also a black one. Although curiously, the underside of all of these are black. So I don't see why you couldn't put it that way if you really wanted, for a little more flair. But otherwise, you know, with the black facing down, that's the way it's supposed to go. That's the way I'm going to put it together, so it's all white like that. But you can flip it if you want, because everything else is symmetrical. There are other styles that Furinno sells as well, if you're not looking for something quite like this. For example, there are other things that they sell that might suit your fancy a bit better. This has a simple, modern design. It will hold 10 pounds per shelf, 30 pounds in total for the unit. This is a composite wood material. It's particle board, if you will, with a finish on it. The tubes and all the rest here are PVC plastic. The finished dimensions of it are 11.5 by 13.4 by 22.8 inches. That's all there is to it. Let me go ahead and get you started on how this goes together. Okay, we're going to start with these pieces. The A piece, which is the bottom, the 4 feet, and the long tubes. Once again, nothing really says that you can't put the short ones there, but it's going to look weird if you put it together that way. However, that may be what you're looking for. As far as the sturdiness, well, I don't know about the top that way. That's kind of why it's made the way it's made, but that's really it. Now, we need to talk about one other thing so you understand how this goes together here. A lot of people have trouble with this nowadays. It's called gender. And here's a male piece, and this is a female piece. And you'll notice that they simply screw together. Okay? So what you do is you put that through the hole and then screw these in. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll take that out. Get these out of the way. Just insert it like that. We'll insert one over here. Okay, just to get started. Back over here. Put that one in. And this last one, right like that. Okay, now my surface is not level here, so that's why I'm going to run into trouble. But if you do this on an absolutely level surface, that won't be a problem. Now you take the tube and you're going to screw it in. Okay, we're going to need to hold the bottom, but I want to get the rest started here first. And there's that one. So now what I'm going to do is flip it like this, and now we can just tighten it up. Just hand tight. That's all you're going to need. That's good right there. Just till it's snug and a little more. Right like that. Turn that. And that. That's not so hard. Now coming up here, we can go ahead and put on the next piece. Now we're going to put this on. And there we are. It's all together. And you might put an alarm clock on top of it. No, wait, nobody uses those anymore. They just use their phone. Well, you could put a lamp on top of it. No, they just use the flashlight on their phone. Box of tissues might be good. Might need those by the bedside. Or you could put a cup of water I like to have on my nightstand. Anything like that. You have storage down over here. So you can put the clock there instead if that works better for you. And you have plenty of storage at the bottom over here also. The stability and sturdiness of it, I think, is very good. Let me back out over here for a second. The problem I have, like I said, is this surface is not level. So it's going to bounce around here. But on a regular floor, it should be just fine. If there is something out of whack, you can try tightening or loosening any one of the 8 stanchions here just to help adjust things. Also, the feet on the bottom, if it's sitting kind of cattywampus like that, you can unscrew one of them just a bit to take up the slack in case your floor is uneven. I have a particular use case for this. Let's go ahead and try that out. So here's the use case that I have. I have this little table next to this easy chair over here, and it's too low. So out with the old. And in with the new. That's perfect. Just the right height, a little lower than the chair. That's perfectly fine. And I can store stuff below, which is good because there's a pile of junk just out of frame that you can't see. And I have a wonderful thing to go on top of that table. Anybody remember one of those? Or one of these? Yep, it still works today. And that will sit there, and now when I sit in my easy chair, if the phone rings, I can answer it. Hello? It's for you. Once again, this is the Furinno turn-in tube 3-tier storage nightstand. Remember again that this is available in different colors, finishes, and different styles as well. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.